Porto Alegre, a sustainable city. Porto Alegre is the capital of Rio Grande do Sul, the southernmost state in Brazil, a great place to go for walks, live, invest, and be happy. It has a privileged position that allows its connection to the most diverse countries in the world. And here is the third largest airport in Brazil. Porto Alegre is a sustainable city in its true essence. The city that prides itself on having the first municipal secretariat for the environment in the country, the harbor town has demonstrated its commitment to environmental preservation and reducing the impacts of climate change for decades. The city, which is a national reference in afforestation, has 4 conservation units, 9 parks, and more than 700 squares for leisure for the population. The municipal program to implement community urban hours in parks and squares began due to concern with the food security of the population and to encourage the conservation of public spaces. Another environmental policy of the municipal administration is to encourage the use of leisure, social, and landscaping areas on sustainable rooftops, use of roofs with partially vegetated areas and gardens, as well as the implementation of photovoltaic panels. Implementation of urban terrariums, gardening, which are the use of leisure and social space in idle residual public areas, where a company can explore small parts of public areas as long as it uses sustainable processes. Sustainable structuring, a sustainability certification with incentives to adopt sustainable practices that will offer tax benefits to the enterprises involved in this project. This is in the implementation phase for civil construction. With funding from Action Fund Brazil, innovative initiatives were made possible with the potential to mitigate greenhouse gases in the municipality, and a system of indicators to support the energy transition of municipal public transport is also in the works. The city begins to structure a municipal climate management plan, which will foster urban sustainability. Porto Alegre is a city ahead of its time. Its master plan review integrates the climate agenda with urban planning so as to build a more resilient city. The city's planning for the next 10 years is being developed with the support of the United Nations based on the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. All public lighting is being replaced by LED lamps, which allows, in addition to environmental benefits, a 55% reduction in the city's electricity bills. Implementation of photovoltaic panels and energy efficiency initiatives in more than 100 municipal schools in the city. Already in operation in 2 schools in Morro da Cruz, solar energy capture boards and a biodigester are making the difference via international partnerships. A challenge for the future. What about cleaning up the waters of the Guaíba River and its tributaries? This is one of the plan's biggest ambitions. But there are many others that we want to face together for the sake of our planet. Porto Alegre is just like that, an awesome place to live, invest, visit, and transform our future. Porto Alegre City Hall, a better city, a livelier place.